Welcome to home cooking. It is easy, everyone can cook. Today I am going to show you how to make fried fish with chili sauce. This recipe is a whole fish, fried until crispy and then covered with chili sauce that have three tastes: sour, salty and sweet. Let's get started. Cut 3 slashes on each side of the cleaned fish. Rub the fish with salt both sides. On medium heat. Add cooking oil. When the oil is hot enough, slip the fish and fry until both sides is crispy and golden brown. Gently take out the fish and let it drain on paper towels. Set aside. Making chili sauce. In the blender, add garlic, add chilies. Add cilantro root or stem. Blend until smooth. On medium-low heat, add cooking oil. When oil is hot, transfer mixture from blender into the oil. Fry until fragrant. Add fish sauce. Add palm sugar. Add water. Add tamarind concentrate. Stirring well and boil for about 1-2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Pour the sauce on top the fish. Add cilantro and sliced red bell pepper for garnished. Serve with steamed jasmine rice. Enjoy!